So last class we discussed about this, all the 7 points we discussed. As I told you that the last f inverse x, the 8th point we need to discuss this f inverse x graph, how to draw by using. It's a give me a second. So f inverse x graph is important because of this will cover your inverse trigonometry also, will make it strong. So that this point has to be careful. So 8th point, for the graph of y equal to f inverse x. Imagine we have to draw the graph of y equal to f inverse x. Certain steps you have to follow. See, the actual step is that key means draw the graph of y equal to fx and take mirror image with respect to the line y equal to x. This is the actual method. But generally, if mirror is the vertical or horizontal, that time itself it should do mistakes. And now here mirror is kept at 45 degree and then forming the image. So generally student used to face problem. And of course, it's become the kind of the optics question in the physics. Okay, if the mirror is kept at 45 degree, what is the position of the image and all. So we don't want to go in that way. So let's go in the proper basic way. So you have to follow certain steps. I will show graph example also. Means at the here, I will write example. First step. Can we draw graph of y equal to fx? Draw graph of y equal to fx. Let's take one example. I need to draw the graph of y equal to sine inverse x. This graph we need to draw. Suppose, imagine. So first step is saying what? Draw the graph of y equal to fx. Y equal to fx is what? Sine x. So sine x graph will draw. This is your sine x graph. Am I right? Graph is not coming very neat and clean, but it's okay. Draw graph of y equal to fx. Second step. Select the portion. Select the portion where graph is strictly increasing or decreasing. Basically, indirectly, this step says I'm trying to make it 1-1 function, nothing else. So, what is the meaning? Means you have to select the complete portion. You cannot select because actually sin x overall is not invertible. I hope all of you remember this much, that key only 1-1 function can be converted, not 1-1 only, 1-1 as well as onto. So 1-1 is the primary condition. 1-1 means strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So where the graph is strictly increasing or strictly increasing, either this portion here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or this portion, or this portion, or this portion. So basically, coming more than one portion is coming near strictly increasing. So in the case of more than one portion, select nearest to origin portion. Nearest to origin portion. To origin. See here, strictly increasing here to here is also there. This point to this point also there. This point to this point. So infinite number of areas are there. So we'll select nearest origin. The nearest origin, this portion is there. That portion you try to draw separately on a paper. Only this portion. So this portion is coming up something like this. All of you can see. Yes, sir. Am I right? This portion came. I will suggest you that key means what is this point? This is the 90 degree, pi by 2. And this point is what? Minus 90 degree means minus pi by 2. And this is your 1. This is your minus 1. So this is your 1. This is your -1. I will always suggest to write all these points, extreme point, and this is your minus point. And last step, turn the page. I will explain this point meaning. Page and rotate, copy our notebook, our page, whatever you want to say, copy by 90° in clockwise. That's all. This line meaning I want to explain you, because what is the meaning of? See, till this point, I hope everybody understood. No doubt about it. Yes, sir. Till this point, everybody understood. So please concentrate on the camera. Whatever I said, that's I'm drawing on the a paper. On one paper, I draw all those points. One, this is. Give me a second. See, what do you have to do? Yeah. Whatever is there, I think in this it will not come very clearly. I'm sorry, but I'll try to show by the other way. Wait a minute. Yeah. So whatever this portion is there, that portion I draw on this copy. See, in camera it will not look very clear because it's a tilted, so it will be problem. Draw in a copy. This is your page. After that, what you have to do, turn the page and rotate copy by 90° like this. This is your actual. Understand? Turn the page. Turn means backside. And then rotate copy by 90°. It will not look correctly because it's looking in the camera. That is the main problem. Okay. But I hope you understood. Whatever your notebook is there, whatever notebook, suppose imagine this is your notebook. This is your notebook. If here you wrote, to turn the page and rotate copy by 90° in clockwise, and from back side try to see what you are able to see. That will be the graph. It's very simple. It's not a difficult task. Understood my point? So if you do that process, it will come, graph will appear like this. Yeah, this way. And this point automatically will come as a pi by 2. This point will come as a minus pi by 2. This point will come as a 1. This point will come as a minus 1. This is your sine inverse x graph. You can see very clearly everything came. What is the range of the function? Range of function minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. What is the domain of the function? Minus 1 to 1. So all the things will come. The most crucial part is that this portion taking out and then turning the page. Turning the page very clearly, you should be able to understand what I mean to say. Means page is there, this, turn, and then rotate. From back side, whatever you will see, that will be your graph. Is it clear? This is 100% is going to work. There is no problem at all. Okay, I will show you some more examples so that it can be clear to you. For example, suppose I want to draw the graph of y equal to cos inverse x. So what is the basic graph? Y equal to cos x. The y equal to cos x graph, if I will draw, it will appear something like this. Yes or no? Then select the portion where the graph is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So by what I can see, this is the portion where it's decreasing. This is the portion where it's increasing. This is the portion again decreasing. And this is the portion again you're increasing. This portion increasing. This is the decreasing. And so on. This is another one. Means graph should be either go up or it should come down. Means you cannot select here to here because here increasing as well as decreasing also. Do you understand? So either you have to select this one or you have to select this one or you have to select this one. Here more than one region. So we'll select nearest to origin. Up here one problem. Sir, what is the problem? Nearest to origin, there are two areas. One this one and another this one. In this case, always remember, in the nearest origin, if more than one area is coming, to select positive side. Nearest origin means this side one area and another side, both are equidistant from origin. You can see very clearly. So always give the preference to positive side. If you give the preference to positive side, yeah, and this portion you take it out, this point, all of you know, it's a pi. Wait, this is the 90 degree, this is the 180 degree. And no need of writing this. The extreme only write. And extreme, this is 0, this is 1, this is -1. Do that process. Turn the page. Just turn. Initially, I will suggest you take a simple piece of paper, draw it, turn the page like this, and then rotate 90 degree clockwise, and then see from backside. If you are doing that step clearly, you will see this kind of things. What exactly is coming up? Yeah. This point will be pi. This point will look 0. This will be 1. This will be 1. So cos inverse x graph is this. You can see cos inverse x always lie between 0 to pi. I hope it's clear to everybody. Understood my point? Huh. So many graph you can draw. You can suppose somebody say question is that draw y equal to f inverse x if let's do so many bits. First bit, fx equal to log x base 3. Second bit, fx equal to x. Third bit, fx equal to 5. I'm not doing so many questions because that much time we don't have. The first bit is what? Log x base 3 first draw. Y equal to log x base 3 if you draw, it will be something like this. I hope remember last class all of you. 1, 0. Select the portion where the graph is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. The graph is strictly increasing throughout. It is strictly increasing throughout. So we'll select this complete portion. Now do the same drama. Turn the page, rotate the copy, and you will see the inverted graph will come something like this. This way. This will be 0, 1 will appear. Not exactly 0, 1, tilted kind of thing. Have you understand? You know, this is the which graph? This is the graph of y equal to 3 power x. Why? Because log inverse is the power function. Power inverse is the log. So graph itself will tell you that key inverse of log is the power function, means a power x. Log x base a inverse is the a power x. Y equal to x, second bit of the question. Y equal to x graph is this. Everybody knowing it? Select the portion. Completely I will select. Turn the page, rotate the copy. You will get same graph. You will get same graph because y equal to x is the function whose inverse and function both are same. So if I'm asking, give me example where fx and f inverse x are same, you say y equal to x. Not only y equal to x, y equal to 1 by x, and so many other functions are there. Did you understand my point? Last one is very interesting. Fx equal to 5. Fx equal to 5 graph, you know, means y equal to 5. Yeah. This is y equal to 5. What I said to you first step, select the portion where the graph is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. But there is a problem. This graph is neither increasing nor decreasing. It's neither going up nor coming down. So 100%, this is neither increasing nor decreasing, means this is not this is not one function at all anywhere. This is always one function. This is not one function. If I say sin x, it's a 1 between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But y equal to 5, never be 1. If never be 1, how is it possible to draw inverse? Inverse is not possible. Means this inverse not possible. Not possible. Graph itself is same. Graph itself is same. So this is the graph method of drawing the f inverse x graph. Have you understand? F inverse x graph, we understood the point. Okay. The next thing is what we are going to learn. That is the modulus concept. Modulus concept. Believe me, it's especially only on mod they never ask question. but it's involved everywhere. So very quickly in 10 to 15 minutes, all the main points we'll try to cover up so that the modulus concept should be clear, right? So that point we'll try to see one by one. So let's understand what are the modulus things. Very quickly, I will not go very far. Mod of x means absolute value of x, or you can say length of x, or you can say magnitude of x. Whatever name you wanted to give, you can give the name. The name is not a problem. So mod x, this is the absolute value of x. But mod x actually value, what is the exact value of this mod x? Mod x is nothing but root of x square. Mod x is nothing but root of x square. Whenever root of x square is coming, always remember you have to keep in mind you have to write mod x. I seen so many times what I seen. Suppose somewhere is coming root of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Somewhere in the question somewhere came. Okay. I seen the children very quickly they say, sir, 1 cos 2 theta is the 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2. So 1 cancel. 2 cancel, sir, root cos square theta. Actually, they never write this step. Directly, they say cos theta. It's a blunder. It's a blunder. Root cos square theta is never be cos theta. It will be mod cos theta. Always remember this point. That is why I always keep in mind that whenever root of x square is coming, it's a mod of x. It's never be x. I'm sure it's clear to everybody, right? So that is the mod x meaning used to be. Mod x, if you want to write without mod, so mod x we define this way. Mod x will be written as a x if x is greater than equal to 0, and it will be minus x if x is less than 0. Am I right? Obvious, because this total value has to be positive. If x is already positive or 0, so directly you can remove mod. For example, mod of 5. 5 is already positive. So what is the use of this mod? Mod you can remove, simply 5. But if you're saying mod of minus 3, this is a negative. You cannot remove direct mod. If you remove direct mod, it will be minus 3, which is wrong because absolute value of x never be negative. You have to keep minus of minus 3. Means that will become 3. Do you understand? So that is what used to be defined. Means whenever x positive, you try mod x. Whenever x negative, you try minus x. Right? Some few points is there. Equation in term. If mod x equal to a, let's write mod p. Mod p equal to a, then p will be equal to plus minus a. Obvious, a should be positive. Otherwise, there is no sense of this. Miss, see, that is called as the key overthinking formula. Formula should not be overthink. What does it mean? Suppose somebody asks you, what is the x if mod of x minus 1 equal to 3? So people do mod of x minus 1 equal to plus minus 3 because of sir formula told. So x equal to 1 plus minus 3, the answer will be 4 or minus 2. Very much correct. But suddenly, suppose somebody asks you, okay, find x if mod of x by 2 equal to minus 2. Here also people do overthinking x by 2 equal to plus minus minus 2. And then you used to go, totally wrong. Always remember every formula or every conditions I'll have some condition. It's a common sense. They're asking x for what x so that the magnitude of x by 2 is minus 1, minus 2, which is impossible. So this will be valid only when a is positive. Am I right? Next thing is that inequality can come, which is very important. Mod p greater than equal to a always give you p less than equal to minus a or p greater than equal to plus a. Mod p less than equal to a will give you always p lie between minus a to plus a. Mod p lie between two numbers c and d. So this will give you p will lie between minus d to minus c, or not and or p lie between c to d. Right? This is the we use for equation. This is the we use for the inequality whenever the question is coming. Very quickly, few questions I'm going to show. You have to take a screenshot, so please take it quickly. Suppose question is coming. Find x if mod of x minus 1 by 2 equal to 3. Very simple. X minus 1 by 2 equal to plus minus 3. X equal to 6 plus minus 1 plus minus 6. Whatever is going to come, 7 minus 5 is the answer. Right? If I say find x if mod of x minus 1 is greater than equal to 2 but less than 5. Correct? This question. So what you will say? Mod of something lie between 2 and 5. So this value x minus 1 will lie between minus 5 to minus 2. Careful, here equal sign is not there, so I'm not putting equal sign here. Or this is the one, I'm sorry. This is 1. Sometimes calculation mistake and all I will do because I'm trying to do fast. So x minus 1 greater than equal to 2 but less than 5. So this will give you x greater than minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 less than equal to minus 1, or x greater than equal to 3 but less than 6. So finally what you'll write, x element of minus 4 to minus 1, minus 4 open because it cannot be equal to minus 4, minus 1 close, union r means union, 3 close to 6 r. This will be the answer. They're never going to ask you in the JEE, are they going to find out the x formulas. There's an in between the question will come. So due to this, you should not commit mistake. That is what the purpose of the basic maths. Have you understood? So when the direct formula based things are coming, it's obvious, it's a very simple, you can solve it. Problem start in the different situation. What different situation? If mod and everything is get mixed. For example, suppose I say question to you, you find x if mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3 is equal to 5, something like this. You have to find x. A problem is that if single mod is there, I can do it. Double mod is there, so you have to follow certain steps carefully. Only 1-2 question I will do. I'm not going to do the more question. You have to understand carefully. Actually, what is my wish? My wish is simple. This mod should be bye-bye. The moment mod will be bye-bye, our question will be solved. The moment this mod will be bye-bye, question will be solved. So mod is the villain. Acha. If I ask you, tell me mod x, when I can remove the mod? You will say, sir, you should know that x is less than 0 or greater than 0. If I say, okay, I have to solve this question. Of course, I can tell answer directly, but think. If I say I have to solve this question, how to do? Formula I don't know. I don't want to apply the other one. So what you will say? Think. Mod x will change its behavior when x is 0. Because before 0 it will be negative, after 0 it will be positive. Or if I say I need to solve this question, mod of x plus 3 equal to 5. So think, this will change behavior when this will be 0. Yes or no? At 0, this will change behavior. Sir, what is the meaning? Let me explain. X plus 3 will be positive when x is greater than minus 3. When x is greater than minus 3. When x greater than minus 3, this will be positive. When x less than minus 3, it will be negative. That is why I am saying this will change its behavior at minus 3. Before minus 3, it will be something else. After minus 3, this will be something else. I'm sure able to understand everybody. Okay, bhai? So before minus 3, this is negative. Actually, whole real number line, I break in 2 portions. I made it 2 questions. One before minus 3, another after minus 3. Why, sir, minus 3 you take it? Because at minus 3, this is 0. Okay, bhai? Imagine, I am solving only this. Means I am thinking my real number line is only from minus infinity to minus 3. Between minus infinity and minus 3, this is negative quantity. So in place of this, I can write minus of x plus 3 equal to 5 or not? Yes. Because if x is less than minus 3, this will be negative. If this is the negative, the mod, if I will remove minus sign, I have to keep in front. I will solve in this area. Minus x minus 3 equal to 5. Minus x equal to 8. X equal to minus 8. But whatever answer is coming, it should satisfy our condition. We are solving before minus 3. Is it before minus 3 number or not? Yes. So this is the accepted answer. Now I'll solve after minus 3. After minus 3, what is that? This will be positive. After minus 3, any number you take, this will be positive. So if this is the positive number, what is the sense of keeping mod? Mod I can remove. X plus 3 equal to 5. X equal to 2. 2 is the, after minus 3 will come, is this is also accepted. So answer will be minus 8 or 2. X equal to minus 8 or 2. Remember, or is there and is not there. How is it possible that X can have two values at a time, and minus 8 and 2? Or will be there. Do you understand? This is the Brahmastra for solving such kind of question. Any kind of inequality is coming, equation is coming. In fact, greatest integer in further cases. This is called the making cases. I will show you here very clearly. Try to see. In this case, this will change behavior at what? 2. This will change behavior at where? 3. So what I am going to do, wherever it's changing behavior, that I will mark it. 2 and 3. First, I will make this question in 3 area. Here I will do, here I will do, here I will do. Understand? When I am solving here, I will assume that my real number line is there up to 2 only. Means here. Means I am going to solve x value is lesser than 2. X value lesser than 2, so this will be negative. Yes or no? So this will become minus x plus 2. Minus of x minus 2 means minus x plus 2. X less than 2, I am talking. X is less than 2. So 100% this is also negative. So minus x plus 3 equal to 5. Did you understand? Solve it. Minus 2x plus 5 equal to 5. Minus 2x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Oh. I am solving before 2. Is the before 2 x equal to 0 is there? No, sir. Not there. Not there. There. Sorry. X equal to 0 here will be there. So it's accepted answer. Between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3 means x is bigger than 2. Bigger than 2, so this is the positive. X minus 2. But x is lesser than 3. So this will be negative. Minus x plus 3 equal to 5. X bye. 1 equal to 5. No mathematics say 1 equal to 5 means no solution in this area. After 3, this will be positive. This will be also positive. Yes or no? So this will become x minus 2 plus x minus 3 equal to 5. We will say 2x equal to 10, x equal to 5. Is the x equal to 5 is here? Yes, it's here. So this is also accepted answer. So answer for this question, x equal to 0, 5. Means either 0 or 5. I hope everybody able to, believe me, if you are able to understand how to make cases, your so much headache will go away. Either it's a limit, continuity, differentiability, and so many places like what you can say, differential integration, area, differential equation, all those places where we have to make cases, it will become easier. Again, I'm saying I'm not solving more question. I will show few questions only. Let's make it something different. Mod of x minus 1 plus 2 mod x minus 3 is less than equal to 5x. Imagine, I have to find out x. Again, don't get scared. It's a simple. If you know solving by making cases, it's a most simple thing. First thing, who will change? What was my wish? My wish is mod has to disappear. Mod has to disappear. The first thing is that I need to see when it's going to change its behavior. At 1. This is changing its behavior where? At 3. And this is never change behavior. X will not become minus x. No. This is already here. Nothing I have to do. My wish is not there anything. This is all right. Perfectly all right. I just want that x should be free so that I can calculate. X should not be inside a function. X may come inside greatest integer. X may come inside the mod. So that has to be removed. So I will draw 1, 3. Can you imagine? I'm not taking more than 2 mod. If I'll take 3 mod, so we have to 4 places we have to solve. I don't want to waste time in calculation. Chalo bhai. Before 1, negative minus x plus 1. Before 3, before 1 means what? This is also negative. So minus 2x plus 6 less than equal to 5x. So what is coming? Minus x minus 2x minus 3x gone to say 8x, and 7 less than equal to 8x, or you can say x greater than equal to 7 by 8. Oh, x greater than equal to 7 by 8. 7 by 8. I did correct? Yes. 7 by 8 is a less than 1 quantity or greater than 1? Less than 1. Where is 7 by 8? 7 by 8 will be somewhere here. Is saying that x greater than equal to 7 by 8. But I can go up to 1 only because my area, my boundary is the 1 only. Yes or no? So this will give you completely x element of 7 by 8 close to 1 close. 1 you can include any moment of time, doesn't matter. Are you able to understand my point? Is it clear to everybody? 7 by 8, 1, check it. 1 if you put it, what will happen? 0. This will become minus 2 mod 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 less than equal to 5. Very much correct. So 1 can do that. Sir, why you stop at 1? Because my real number line till 1 only. So I will not go beyond that. So this is the one of the solution and it's very much valid. Between 1 and 3, this will be positive x minus 1. But this will be negative minus 2x plus 6 less than equal to 5x. So this will become minus x. So that will become 6x. Minus x will go this side. Greater than equal to 6 minus 1, 5. X greater than equal to 5 by 6. X greater than equal to 5 by 6. Greater than equal to 5 by 6. Is it coming into the picture? 5 by 6 will be where? Here somewhere. I cannot take 5 by 6 completely because my area start from 1. What is this means? This means what? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 somewhere here. It's saying here to complete this. This means is this. But I am solving between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 complete, I will take it. This 1 and 3 complete, I will take. Because x greater than equal to 5 by 6 means what? This. But that is rejected because our area 1 to 3. And they are saying 1 to 3 everything. So it means x element of 1 to 3 directly. 3 I have to verify. 3 I will put 0 and this will become 2. Yes, correct. So 1 to 3 completely. This is also solution. Are you able to understand? Huh. Now, after 3, what will happen? Everything positive. X minus 1 plus 2x minus 6 less than equal to 5x. 2x plus x, 3x, gone that side, 2x. 2x greater than equal to minus 7. X greater than equal to minus 7 by 2. Oh, this is saying x greater than equal to minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 is where? Minus 7 by 2 will be somewhere here. It's saying this complete area, but my area is there 3 after 3 only. So I will say x greater than equal to 3 to infinity. This is also accepted. Means all 3 is the answer. So you can say final answer will be 7 by 8 to 1 union 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity. Basically, this directly I can say x element of 7 by 8 to infinity. I hope everybody understood. Make cases, solve the question and get the things. Have you understand? Is this clear? A lot of question we need to do practice, but due to the lack of time, I cannot do that much. Okay, but idea I given you. Few points you should keep in mind. If fx equal to mod of x minus a1 plus mod of x minus a2 plus so on mod of x minus an. Okay, so many mod is there. So least value of fx equal to min of f of a1, f of a2, so on f of an. Very important. Sir, what is this? I will explain. Suppose few mods in addition we are having and we want to get the least value of that, right? Whenever you want to get the least value, what do? Check where it's change behavior. At a1, this will change at a2, so on, this will change at an. put those value in the fx one by one and take which one is the least value, minimum out of this. That is will be your minimum value of the function. For example, I want to get least value of fx equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 2 plus mod of x. I want to get least value of this function. Means what is the minimum value it will have? Okay, bhai. This will change behavior at where? At 1. This will change behavior where? At minus 2, because at minus 2 it will be 0. When this will 0, I will find f of 1. What is the f of 1? This will become 0. This will become 3. This will become 1. Means 4. F of minus 2 calculate. Mod of minus 2 minus 1 means mod of minus 3. Mod of minus 3 will be what? 3, 0, and this will be 2. Sorry. No, correct. So that will become what? 5. F of 0 I will calculate 1 plus 2, 3 plus 0 means 4. Up tell me, where it's the least value? What is the least value of f out of these 3? I'll say 4. 4 is the least value. It means least value of the function, least value will be equal to 4. Means whatever x you put, the whole value cannot be lesser than 4. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Sir, what is the application? Why we are learning this? Suppose somebody say, find solution of mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 2 plus mod x equal to 3. I will not solve directly. I will say no solution. Sir, why? Because the least value of this expression, this value is 4. Means it cannot be lesser than 4. And you are saying equal to 3. It's impossible. It's impossible. Have you understand my point or not? Suppose somebody say, find x if mod of x plus 7 plus mod of x minus 3 equal to 9. I will say no solution. Sir, why? Because least value will be. See, this will be 0 when at minus 7. So minus 7, if you put this is 0, this will be 10. 3, if you put, what will happen? 10. So least value of this function will be 10. Did not understand. Assume fx equal to mod of x plus 7 plus mod of x minus 3. So mod of f of minus 7 will be what? 0, and this will be 10. F of 3 will be what? This will be 10 and this will be 0. Means both are equal to least value, means minimum of these two is what? 10 itself. So least value of this function 10. Means this whole value always bigger than 10 or equal to 10. It cannot be less than 10. And you are saying equal to 9. So no solution. Did you understand my point? Is it clear? So this is the way we used to interpret the mod, and I hope all of you understood the mod concept. In the basic math, this much at least all of you should know. Then only you can proceed the further. In the basic math, the next point is the log concept and greatest integer. With the calculus, I will be adding with that one. Log concept, greatest integer concept, fractional part of x concept. So these points are the certain points which is compulsory you should know. Right? So in the next class, we'll see the log concept and greatest integer concept. This is be clear. This is the basic math. They will never ask question directly from this, but you should know these points. Right? Okay. Thank you very much to all of you.